Here's a question for you. Why do many AIR-1, 10 and top rankers who get both IITs and IISc often choose IISc Bangalore? What makes this one campus so special that even top IIT selected students decide to study here? Let's decode the truth today. Hello, I'm Saumya, alumnus of IISc Bhubaneswar. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about IISc Bangalore, from courses, cutoffs, placements, campus life to the exact strategy to get in. But before we start, comment below what's your dream rank in IIT 2026, because IITs and IISc together form the backbone of India's research and engineering ecosystem. While IITs are known for world-class engineering and industry connections, IISc is known for world-class research, innovation and scientific breakthroughs. So it's not IIT versus IISc, it's IIT and IISc, two different pathways for two different kinds of students. If you want a career in deep research, advanced science or emerging technologies, IISc becomes a dream destination. Let's say you're interested in something called as quantum computing, which was my research field, or per se you are very passionate about biotech, making vaccines, working in machine learning or artificial intelligence or any of the upcoming technology, then IISc should be your dream destination. Comment below, are you more inclined towards engineering or research? So type E or R. Now, let's talk about programs at IISc Bangalore. So IISc offers two major undergraduate pathways since we are talking about careers after class 12th. Number one is the BSc Research Program. This is a flexible research-driven course where you can pursue your major in physics, chemistry, maths, biology, or interdisciplinary areas like earth science, planetary science, computer science, so on. Number second is AND computing. This is one of the most competitive and future-focused programs in India right now. Now, both programs give you early access to world-class labs, professors, and international opportunities. Yes. So here's my question to you. If you had to choose today, which program would you pick? Your BSc Research or BS Research or BTech in Mathematics and Computing? Now, since you already might be aware that IISer aptitude test is the entrance examination for IISc Bangalore, I just wanted to tell you that all syllabus, book list, PYQs, and some notes plus mock test for IIT are free inside the SciAstra application. So open the app, go to free resources, start your preparation today. Now let's talk about how can you get into IISc Bangalore. So you can enter IISc mainly through three channels. Number one is JEE Advanced, where usually top 150 to 200 ranks get in for general category. Second, and the primarily one, is IISer aptitude test, where high scorers with strong science aptitude often choose IISc Bangalore when they allot it. Now, number three, which is slightly uncommon, is Olympiads and research achievements. So let's say if you are a gold medalist in IMO, IPHO, ICHO. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. We already have made a video on Olympiads. Then you can also have a chance of getting into IISc Bangalore. So no, you don't need to be a prodigy. You need consistency, smart mock test practice, and correct guidance. Now, if I can ask you, which of these exams are you targeting? JEE, NEET, IIT, NEST? Let me know in the comment. But NEET won't give you IISc Bangalore. But now let's come into the point why top rankers choose IISc Bangalore. So students who join IISc are not just looking for engineering, they're looking for freedom. Freedom to explore, research, innovate things, and push scientific boundaries. And here's what attracts the toppers to IISc Bangalore. So the IISc campus is very peaceful and research oriented. You will get to meet lots of professors who are world renowned in their particular research fields. It can be chemistry, it can be material science, it can be physics, anything else. Now, there is lots of flexibility in terms of academic and non-academic activities. Now, you also get early access to all these advanced labs. Some of them you can also see on the screen right now, from material science to chemistry to computer science. So we also have supercomputers at IISc Bangalore, and ranging from, basic instrumentation to advanced laboratories, each and everything is there. Plus, IISc is the #1 institute in India in terms of Nature Index and impact factor citations. Also, the students who study at IISc Bangalore get internship opportunities from, can you imagine, MIT, Caltech is California Institute of Technology, Harvard, Max Planck, and other world-class institutions. So basically, you have a peer group around you that constantly pushes you higher. Isn't it so awesome and amazing that you want to study at IISc Bangalore? Because it's not about prestige, it's about the purpose and the goal that your peer group is going towards. By default, you are going to access all the faculty and lab. Now let's talk a bit about campus life at IISc Bangalore. So IISc is one of the most beautiful campuses in India, a green, quiet, almost forest-like environment, which is actually built for thinkers. If you are a thinker, let me know in the comment. The campus picture you can right now see on the screen, and which has iconic buildings, stone buildings basically, 24/7 research lab, peaceful hostels, vibrant student clubs, and amazing fest. Just a trivia. So in case you don't know, when the IISc fest happens or when the IISc open day happens, the whole Bangalore traffic comes to know about it, and the traffic in the corresponding region gets stopped. So if IITs are bustling engineering cities, IISc is a serene research sanctuary, and you get the best of both worlds. You get freedom to exercise your academic, non-academic flexibility, plus focus on the area that you are very passionate about. How can I say this? Because this year in 2025, SciAstra sent more than 20 students to IISc Bangalore in their first year for BS research programs. The total intake via IIT was around 60, so it's more than 30%. If you want to know the secret, let me know in the comment. I'll let you know. Now let's talk briefly about placements and career paths and opportunities. So that's very important because these are the outcomes, and if you're like me, you wanted to know about the average package or salary after graduating, so here it is. IISc Bangalore students actually receive average package ranging from 20 to 28 lakh rupees per annum. Although these range from courses to courses, but BS research students, many of them do not opt for placements deliberately. Let me tell you that. They indeed get offers for PhD research positions from the institutes I already mentioned, MIT, Harvard, Max Planck, Caltech. But if they want, they can also get packages as high as 40 to 80 lakh per annum, plus internship at already global industrial plus academic institutes. So there is strong pathways that you can use to get into AI, data science, quantum technology, aerospace, biotech, and advanced engineering as well if you want. Yes, and direct PhD admission at world's top universities. But more importantly, IISc actually prepares you to be a creator, to be an innovator, not just a job seeker. That's the reason I wanted to ask you, what's your dream salary after graduation? Just comment honestly, and not just because you have passion for basic science research or physics or astrophysics, anything like that. So let's talk about the main thing. How can you crack IISc Bangalore, which is the main thing about smart strategy you need to follow. So to get into IISc, you must prepare smartly, of course, with hard work. So here's the strategy. Step 1, master the fundamentals. It can be physics, chemistry, maths, and bio, because IIT requires all 4 subjects. Yes, PCMB you need to attempt and score more than 200 marks, roughly 210 or 15 to get IISc for sure. So weekly mock test you need to attempt. If I talk about mock test, in case you didn't know, we have recently launched Focus Mock Test Series, which is the 100% actual exam experience and simulation, where you can not just analyze your weak areas, but attempt all the 15 mock tests in IIT, plus NEST, JEE, NEET, CUET, all the exams that you are comfortable with, that you are going to appear for, because your AIR actually depends more on your mock test than anything else. So it becomes almost mandatory. And let me tell you very bluntly that almost all of the students who we sent to IISc Bangalore this year, they attended innumerous amounts of mock tests. So if you want to know where you can find it, hit the description right now. And again, we'll be coming up with more and more content to help you out pretty soon. Why was it important to talk so much about these mocks? Because they actually train your brain to stay calm, focused, and strategic during the actual examination. And I know you're serious about IISc, so solve focus test consistently. Do not miss any test. The first one starts at 14th December. Go check it out right now. Enroll, register, and get a copy of yours. Now, desperately wanted someone from IISc, IITs, or any top institutes to guide me, help me, be with me in my low times. Just wanted to talk to them. So yes, Kalam 2.0, 3.0 are exactly about that. They include live classes, high-level problem solving, personalized doubt support in 3.0. Plus, the best part is personal mentorship from the students who are actually studying in IISc, IISc, IIT. So they are your seniors. So you will actually be getting guided by your potential seniors. So why to miss this opportunity? Because prices of all these courses are dropped for a limited period. So if IISc is your target, this is the fastest way. Yes, I can bet this is the fastest way to move from confusion to clarity. And we have already used this to send more than 20 students out of 60 seats in IISc Bangalore this year. This itself should be enough. And if you're preparing anyway for engineering or science entrance examination, aiming for IISc gives your preparation direction and purpose. And final parting thoughts. So toppers don't study more, toppers just study right. And with the correct mentorship, test series and resources, you can be one of them. Yes, I believe you. What's the one thing you learned today that surprised you? Comment below and share this video with a friend who dreams big, who dreams about IISc Bangalore. Subscribe to SciAstra English for more deep dive guides, exam strategies, career breakdowns. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, criticisms, let us know in the comment below. Again, go check out the application for free materials to get started. Check out Kalam 3.2 for personalized mentorship. Check out Focus for actual examination test series. And IISc Bangalore is waiting for you. Go claim your seat. All the best.